Now let us see loops using until statement. So this is little bit same as while. There is a little bit of difference. I will be explaining it. So first the syntax is you will be writing until a is equal to 100. Print the value of a and slash n. A plus is equal to, let us say 2 now, end. So why it is infinity loop? Because a is never becoming 100 here. So whenever you use until, the difference between while and until is, let me show you. We are saying a is equal to 1 and we are saying until a becomes 100, print the value of a and we are incrementing this to 2 times now is equal to, we have in the last example we have given 2. So what I am doing, first it is 1. So until a becomes 100 it will be inside the loop. So what is happening, a is incremented by 2 means a becomes 3, 3, 5, 7 like this, 99, and after 99 it becomes 101. So it is never becoming 100. That's why it will become infinity loop. Suppose we press 1, increment by 1, and then it will stop at 100. So whenever a becomes 100 the loop is stopped. The syntax is same but the meaning is difference. So when we are using while loop, we are checking the conditions whether the condition is true. If the condition is true, you are inside the loop, you are iterating the codes until the condition gets false. But here in until we are telling that until this condition becomes true you should not be in the loop. If it's never becomes true it will be inside the loop forever. So let me show you the same in the both while and loop. Suppose a is equal to 1. If you want to print from 1 to 100 you should write while a less than equal to 100. If you write here like in until is equal to, this will never get executed. Let us see. Let print a and it is never getting to this line because a is equal to is file. In the while loop we are checking whether the condition is true or not, and in the until loop, until the condition is 100, if you write print a, it will be, if you end here it will be infinity loop because until a becomes 100 it will be inside the loop. Here check the condition, and if condition is true, until the condition is true you should be inside the loop. That is the only difference. So a plus is equal to 1 and end the loop. All the values are printed. So we have seen how to do while check the condition less than equal to 100, print a is equal to a plus 1. Instead of writing that I am using this one this time. Why it is printing only 100? So here a is becoming 100 and this condition is satisfied, so and it is coming out now because a is 100, it will check the condition and it will try to increment to the 100 plus 1, 101, which is false. That's why it is coming out of the loop printing only 100. So until means until a becomes 100 it will be inside the loop. That is the only difference you should have to remember. Keep practicing with both until and while and see the difference by yourself. You will be understanding it very easily. So hope you understood. Meet in the next video with the most important loop, which is for loop.